Nilesh Shah, member of the Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council, is optimistic, believes that this could be the harbinger of better times. Professor Arun Kumar and earlier Rajiv Bajaj pointing out some of the cautionary tales in getting over-exuberant at times like this. What's your sense? Are there some green shoots of recovery that one can notice? And this is, of course, contrasted with the mood that existed, say, June, July, August, just after the lockdown. Is that sentiment, that confidence slowly but surely reviving?
Rajdeep, we have to look at this as, signs of life coming back into the economy. I don't think we can yet say that there is a recovery or a revival happening, because even if you look at the automobile numbers, what Rajiv Bajaj was referring to, the degrowth that you are seeing this year is over and above the degrowth that happened in last fiscal. 18% was the shrinkage in the two-wheeler industry and passenger vehicles industry last year. So the degrowth you're seeing is over and above that, 18% plus 3%. You're not seeing any very significant uptick in the consumer offtake of loans, for instance. Credit offtake has not gone up. Personal loans are down from 16% growth to less than 9% growth. We are currently in a kind of economy of contradictions. This is, if you see the real economy, it is so divorced from the stock market. The stock markets are on fire. Real economy is actually shrinking. You see the micro economy, there's signs of life, as I said, but there is macro economy is still in deep freeze. You see the large companies are declaring very good results, and the medium and small companies are struggling like never before. So these are the kind of contradictions that we are seeing. What we are seeing is signs of life in pockets of the economy. And, you see the rural India. Rural India is so different, growing so much better than the urban India. So there are a lot of contradictions right now in the economy. Microeconomy is not, macroeconomy is definitely not seeing any action, especially something like project announcements, which were used to be on an average of 3.3 lakh crore per month. We are at 70,000 crore per month.